Today we reinstall the gear shift that Leslie removed. It's the gear shifter for the Model 3 Highland. Let's start now. Remove the side triangle panel. There are buckles. Remove the buckles. After removing the buckles, don't rush to remove the side panel. You need to remove the bottom panel first. Unplug the two plugs. Take the bottom panel out. Remove the door seal side panel. Take it out. There are harnesses. The bigger one on the left is the signal plug. It's a non-destructive installation. Just plug to plug. Plug the signal plug into the car's gray plug. Plug the power plug into the car's white plug. After plugging, pass the harness wire under the glove box. Pull it to the steering wheel position through the wireless charging position. Hide the harness inside the wireless charging area. Next, remove the steering wheel. Insert the tool tip into the right side hole of the steering wheel. Insert the tool tip into the left side hole as the same method. The airbag pops out. Unplug the airbag plug yellow plug. Use the tool tip to press the upper and lower holes of the plug and shake the plug yellow plug. Alright. Remove the roller plug as the same method gray plug. Remove the steering wheel series with the tool. When removing the steering wheel screws, you can cooperate with someone. One person tightens the series while the other holds the steering wheel. Dry out the series. After removing, gently shake the steering wheel. Remove the steering wheel. Pay attention here. Be sure to secure the oil wire cover with tape after removing the steering wheel. If the oil wire ever falls off, you need to go to the Tesla center to repair the oil wire. It's a huge loss. Next, remove the panel behind the steering wheel. Try it from the middle. Remove the upper panel. Unscrew to remove the lower trim. Dry off the bottom panel. Remove the upper panel. Dry off the bottom panel. Now need to remove the rubber strip that passes through the lower rear of the steering wheel. And wraps around to the upper front. Tie the harness and the rubber strip with electrical tape. After tying, alright, split the right side gear lever and lever holder. It's finished when you hear CTA. The left side is done using the same method. Align the hole. After lacing, tighten the two series. Okay, finished lane. Plug the shorter shifter plug into the right side shifter interface. After plugging, align the right side shifter with the car hole. The left side shifter is done using the same method. Use two connectors to fit the left side and right side shifter, join above and below. After fixing, tighten the top and bottom with series. Plug the shifter plug into the left side shifter interface. After fixing, Tie it with the black rubber strap. Recover the two-car series. Remove the car buckle under the steering wheel. Put the buckle into the steering wheel base. Merge the covers above and below the steering wheel. Tie the bottom with series. Use connectors to fix the upper and lower covers from the left and right sides. Alright, check whether there are any gaps. Recover the steering wheel. Test for nationality. Carefully peel off the tape. After fixing, recover the steering wheel. Retighten the ear screws that were removed. Reinsert the airbag plug. Arrange the harness. Finish. Finish the installation now. Restore all disassembled panels. After fixing, looking forward to the next road test video.